Welcome back to Bitter-Swede Garage. Got an update for you. Decided to get some new tires. I went all out. Most expensive wheels you get, best tires, and that's all a lie. What I did get are these. These are 15-inch, steelies, smoothies, as some would say, kind of. So these are more like rally wheels. Tires, they're probably, I think this one's like 13 years old after looking at the date code. This one isn't so bad, maybe 6 years old. Anyway, these are a little chubbier than what I've got on the truck. This is the current back wheel, and it is, let's see if I can find the measurements, 255/60/15. And this guy is a 275/60. Not exactly sure how much room I got. Plenty of room here, not so much here, and not so much here. In fact, I guess it depends on how much travel I have. I don't think the wheel will even come up that high, but let's get it on and see how it fits. I think the jack is the loudest known noise to man. Let's give it a few pumps. Let's see here. Yep. She rolling? See what I got. Any estimates? 17 perhaps? Nope. 19 it is. We got a little wiggle in there. It's supposed to be standard, but I don't feel like looking for the other ones. Come on now. Apparently I need an extension. Back in action. Torque is quite tremendous. And these are gonna get stuck. Better find the right socket size. Well, I only have a 12 point, so this will probably end in disaster. So far, so good. Oh, come on. How is this spinning? Is it neutral? What the? Let's try that again. There we go. Come on now. Andrew put these on really well. All right, let's try the old Impactaroonie. Get on. Yep. All right. Tire is free. Get on out of here. All right. Let's pull one of these big ones out. This is what I'm working with here. I want to say the mount is right in the middle of the wheel. So we'll see. Hopefully it's centered in the fender. About to find out. Let's knock the old hubcap off. And this is not easy to get to. Don't really want to dent it from the wrong side. Perfect. Scratched it right on the surface. Okay. Moment of truth. Let me jack this up a bit more just to get it on. Well, she fits. Oh, it does stick outside the fender a bit. But I don't think that's gonna matter. Let's see what happens when we drop it down. It's hard to tell how many colors this rim has been in its life. Someone painted it black, I think with some spray on Walmart, black, flat, I don't know. They were red at one time, maybe Chevy orange. They do seem to fit in there pretty good. Let me get these tightened down and we'll drop it, see what happens. Well, so far I'm liking how that sticks out slightly. Let's see if I bend anything. Well, I don't think it moved much. Let's take a look. That's nice. That's not gonna hit. Plenty of room here. I would like to drop it a little bit. That should be fine. Guess I won't really know until I drive it and mar my fender up more than it already is. Let's pop this bad boy on there. Oh, come on. Apparently it's a two-hand deal. Okay. Dramatic exit. What y'all think? I think it's looking pretty good so far. Here's a trick I learned back in Nam. Loosen the lug nuts before raising the vehicle. Much easier. It's also easier when you have some torque, which I have none. Let's try this one. Give it the old loosery. Yep, that's better. Not too shabby. That one's on there good. Why is it so tight? That was not as bad. I think that's all of them. Yep. Let's find a spot where we can jack this up. Preferably on the frame. This spring mount should work just fine. I call this the lat method. That's not gonna work. Let's try on the frame. There we go. Yeah, get my back muscles worked. That's my dog Harley. She likes to scream randomly. All right, that's good enough for government work. Isn't that a sensitive topic nowadays? 5 things I did. Changed lug nuts. Changed tires. Saved money. By the way, I got a good deal on those tires. Well, I think it's a good deal. Could have been better maybe, but for 500 bucks for custom wheels, the tires are decent. It'll work for what I'm doing. Wheeling on in. Let's see if I can push this one out. Saved. The multi-lug for Chevy vehicles, cars, 4 3/4 from the middle of the post to the outside of the next one. That's how you measure them. And I guess Chevy trucks are 5" exactly. But you know, somebody who knows, put it in the comments. That fits pretty good. I'm just burning time. By the way, if you enjoy watching Andrew and me work on junk, go ahead and like, subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. But, you know, the more subscribers we get, the more it encourages us to carry on. Thinking about a giveaway for the 1,000th subscriber. All right, get these buttoned up. Righty tighty. I'll torque these down once I get everything back together. Right now I just want to see what it looks like. Paste de resistance. Time to lay her down. See what she looks like. These are a little wider than what was in there, but oh, better. That's it. The old bounce test. Well, there she is in all her glory. Step back. I'm liking it. I may just leave the faded paint. Kind of adds to the ambiance. Feng shui, as they say. Nobody says that. Just me. All right. I think they're looking good. All right, here's the before shot and the after shot. Kind of hard to tell, but that side, much fatter compared to the skinny side. Yep, let's check it out here. It sticks out a little from the fender, but I don't think it's terrible. Let's see what it looks like next to the bed on the inside of the fender. Oh yeah, I mean, look at all that clearance. There's so much clearance. This side, not so much. But again, I don't think the tire's going to travel that high up. And if it does, it'll naturally flare out my fender. Perfect. Here's a view of that back tire sticking out of the fender slightly. Just ever so aggressively. I think it's fine. It's fine. Honestly, I think this tire could be slightly larger. Maybe not quite as tall as the back one, but just a little taller. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you think in the comments.